If you're looking for a quick breakfast smoothie that's full of antioxidants and vitamin C, well, I have just the one for you. This is my beetroot and berry smoothie, and it's not only good for you, but it just tastes delicious. So I've got lots of berries to choose from here. I've got a combination of blackberries. We'll add a handful of them into a blender. To that, I'll add some strawberries. Look at these gorgeous, fresh strawberries. I'm going to add 2 large ones. We'll just cut the tops off. And if you want the real intense perfume of these gorgeous berries, bring them out of the fridge and now before eating them. They just intensify so much more. Okay, a few more. We've got some blueberries, just a couple of them, and my favourite, raspberries. These plump raspberries, we'll add a handful. Okay, to this I'm going to add some beetroot. Now I've cooked my beetroot, I've just steamed them for about 30 minutes, but these days you can buy cooked beetroots from all your grocery stores. So in they go. I prefer to add them cooked as opposed to raw. If you add them raw, you tend to get a bit of a grainy smoothie. So they go in for some sweetness, some freshly squeezed orange juice, and I happen to have half a lime. This is totally optional, but a little squeeze of that can go in there too. For some extra sweetness, a hint of maple syrup. And to make sure this smoothie is extra chilled, a few cubes of ice. All right, lid goes on and we're going to blend this until it's smooth. All right, this is looking great. And look at the silky texture of this smoothie. That's what we're after. So I'm gonna fill up a glass. Ooh, perfect. And because this is a brekkie smoothie, I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of granola just over the top. There we go. I'm going to pour myself another one over here, and I really want to have a taste of this because I just love the flavour combination of beetroot and mixed berries. That honestly is the best combination. You've got sweet beetroot that is slightly earthy. You would never think to put beetroot in a smoothie, but it works, particularly with all these beautiful berries. You want a healthy smoothie? Give that one a go.